MMM ideology. Rich men have dreams. Poor men die to make their dreams come true. The difference between rich and poor do everything with hands, and the rich hire hand to do things. What is always overlooked is what although the poor wants to be rich, it does not follow that they in any way want to emulate their character, which in fact they despise. Both the poor and the rich have always found precisely the same grounds on which to complain about each other. Each feels the other has manners, is disloyal, corrupt, insensitive, and has never put in an honest day's work in its life. Take a look in a unique world in a unique life. MMM is the answer of our financial problem. What is MMM? MMM, it is the power of giving. It is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. Millions of people from different countries have already registered in our community. We donate money when we can do it, and we get money when we need it. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other. MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMM openly declares that all the money is distributed between members. It is not invested in business projects or securities. Welcome to MMM. Together we change the world. I'm Leah Joy Overa.